Make a great choice today with
The 2021 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, privacy glass, fog lamps, front disc rear drum brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.